you enjoyed our April Citizen Science scavenger hunt at the Mechanicsville branch of the Pulley Regional Library. We hope you found some ways that you can help scientists that you're interested in. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own pulley system. In your kit provided, you should have the items you will need, but let's just review them. You will have a cup with 4 holes in it already. You will have 2 8-inch pieces of yarn. You'll have 1 36-inch long piece of yarn, 1 spool, and 1 skewer. Let's get started. First, you're going to tie the ends of one of your 8-inch strings into the holes on the cup. You may choose to double knot these if you'd like. Then you're going to tie your second string and do the same thing. Now you've got what look like handles on your cup. And you're going to take one end of your 36-inch string and tie it through. Next, you're going to put your skewer through your spool, and that's going to create your pulley. You're going to want to center it on the 2 ends of your skewer. Now, here comes the fun part, because you're going to need 2 equally tall surfaces that are at least 3 to 6 inches away from each other. This could be 2 tall stack of books, 2 chairs next to each other, a couch arm in the side of the table, 2 open door cabinets. Build your own Lego towers to make it as tall as you want. Whatever you want, get creative. I am going to use 2 stools. Let's see. Now that you have your 2 tall surfaces, you're going to go ahead and put one end of your axle on your surface and line them up. Again, you want them to be 3 to 6 inches apart, enough room for your cup to move up and down just fine, but not too far apart that your axle might fall off. And you're going to take the free end of your 36-inch yarn and wrap it over. And this is going to become our pulley. And we just pull that end, and the cup moves pretty easily. You can try a couple different adaptations to this. So what if we wrap it around our spool 2 or 3 times? Does it move more easy, faster? What happens when we add some weight to our cup? Like Legos. You can also use other things at home, like, don't pull too hard. Other things at home, like marbles, pebbles, pennies, whatever you got. And you can conduct all kinds of experiments. How much weight can your pulley hold? What happens if you start with a shorter amount of string? The more you wrap around, how tall can it work? You have all different options. You can experiment. Make sure to stop back next month to see what our scavenger hunt and activity will be. Thanks for watching. Bye.